I'm sure everybody can relate when I say, when we go abroad, palaging sinasabi natin na, bakit hindi ganyan sa Pilipinas? Bakit kaya nilang galing sa apartment nila, maglakad, baba sila, and then they can go explore again. They can walk to their gym. This one is actually San Sebastian. This was one of the inspirations. Actually, this is my own photo na yan. Nandyan si Chris. Asawa ko, nandyan. Walang kotse, everything's peaceful. You can jog if you want. You go down, you jog, balik ka. That kind of lifestyle. How can we make that into reality here in the Philippines? So, this was always at the back of our minds kung kaya ba? Meron ba kayang location? Meron ba kayang site? Meron ba kayang execution that will enable us to accomplish a feeling of just open and seamless indoor-outdoor living in the most real sense. So we started off with this schematic. What if, paglabas ko, walang kotse, magja-jogging lang ako, ikot ako sa buong area, or I decide to go to that pool. And on a whim, without having to go through elevators, labas lang ako, and I can be playing with my kids in the open areas, the playground. Pwede akong pumunta sa clubhouse, lakad lang ako, punta na ako sa clubhouse, I can go to the gym, I can join a party there, or if I just want to get outside my house, I can just walk and go to the garden pavilion.